If you are wondering if we have a screen recorder option available on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then the answer is yes, we do have this feature available on this phone, and in order to find it, we need to simply go to the control center. So I'm gonna swipe from the top towards the middle twice like this in order to open the control center. And finally over here, now we can search for the screen record button. In my case, it is over here. So I can tap on it in order to choose what I want to record. I can record a single app or the entire screen. In the case of the entire screen, I can also show touches on this screen. And in general, we can also choose what audio we want to record. So we can choose to record the device audio, microphone, or both. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you can also disable to record without any audio. So now we can press start recording. Over here we have countdown in the status bar, and there we go, we are now recording our screen. If you want to stop recording, you can go to notifications. You can find the notification of the screen recorder, I believe. There we go, we have recording screen, so we can reveal these options by tapping on the arrows. There we go, and then we have the stop option. Of course, you can also go back to the control center in order to tap on the same button again. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!